Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan.
And my name is Thomas.
And this is what we're gonna make today.
Apple Crumble Cake.
I made this apple crumble cake with my son. First, we're gonna put in 4 eggs, about 150 grams of sugar. And you can use normal sugar or add vanilla sugar. Now, we're gonna lightly mix this. Now look at that, creamy. Now we're gonna add 175 milligrams of Greek fatty yogurt. Delicious. And you know, it sticks to the bowl, so he needs a little bit of help. And that's okay. It's cooking with Dad. I also gonna put in some vanilla extract. You can buy these in those little bottles here. And not too much. Let it mix again. Really incorporate all those delicious flavors. Now that's ready. I already sifted the flour, and it's about 200 grams of flour, just all-purpose flour. 9 grams of baking powder, just a little bit, and some cinnamon. I really love cinnamon, but don't overdo it, because it's really powerful. Now we're gonna mix it all again, and really mix it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Here you can see it's becoming a really nice and smooth batter. Yeah, I speeded up the video because 5 to 8 minutes waiting is long. Now look at that. It's ready. But I forgot to put in the oil. So I have to mix it for about 3 more minutes. But if you do this step in the beginning, you will be fine. Now the batter is ready. I'm gonna put it aside for now. Now we're gonna prep the butter. And it's that sticky butter this time. I don't know why. But we're gonna make little squares of it. We are going to combine the butter with some more flour. Really put it all in. Let them become friends. Sticky friends. Crumbly friends. I also put in about 75 grams of sugar, because I want a sweet crumble. Now this will be hard work. I messed up my crumble, but I'm still gonna use it, because I think in the end it will be fine. I added an extra bit of flour. I hope that it wouldn't be too sticky anymore. But I think something went wrong with the butter or something. I used the wrong butter. But hey, I think we can make it work. Now the apples. I chose a sweet apple. And it's a little bit sour too, I think, but they're really good. And I'm gonna make rough dices. This one doesn't have to be perfect. And I don't know if you use this method to peel your apples or to cut them. Well, I just slice them up, dice them up, and that's it. They're really sweet. And I think every apple I did, I ate some of it. I don't know if you guys do that, but I always ate some of the apples. The apples are done. Let's start building this cake. I used this rectangular form. It's always good to make a cake in that. And I sprayed in some oil so that it doesn't stick too much. Now we're gonna pour in the batter. He really likes that. He always spoons out the leftovers. now we're gonna put in the apple. Well, he put in the apple, and then he said, "Come Dad, let's do it together." So I helped him. Now comes the crumble, and it really helped when I put it in the fridge. It became harder, so it was easier to crumble. And to top it off, I put on some almonds. They're really nice nuts. It's ready for the oven, and it will go in for about 60 to 70 minutes. And really do that, because otherwise the inside will not be cooked. Now look at that. Our version of an apple crumble. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I want it now. I'm gonna try to cut it out of here. But it doesn't really work well. I think the spray didn't work today. But you have to listen to this. Yeah, it's really crunchy. Now, let's cut one piece off. Oh man, look at that. Delicious. Well guys, this is my version of an apple crumble pie. Oh man. Yep, crumbly. I really like the crumble. It worked out in the end. Watching. I hope if you're new, you subscribe to my channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for watching. Give it a like, leave me a comment. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.